Hi, I'm Kara Schuler. I'm the developmental editor for SilvergrainClassics magazine. And today I'm here to talk about JOBO because they've brought out a whole new set of products. But before I even get into that, I just wanted to mention big happy birthday to JOBO. They are actually celebrating their 100th birthday this year, which is pretty cool in and of itself. So that's great. We all know JOBO as the maker of some really high quality tanks for developing film. Like the ones I have here, they have this kind of your normal everyday size for 35 millimeter, but they go up to things like this big thing here for Super 8 or 16 millimeter cinefilm and everything in between, large format, and they also have their semi-automatic film processors. So this is really a great line and of products already that they have, and we're very excited that they're bringing so many new things in addition. So yeah, let's look at all the boxes here and see what we have. We wanted to start with this great big box, but we're not going to. We're going to save that for a different video. So if you want to see what's in the great big box, you're going to have to subscribe to our channel, and then you'll be notified when that video comes up. I'll just push this off to the side. Now we're getting to what we're actually going to talk about today, and that's the new line of JOBO film developing chemicals. And we have 4 kits. They're all full kits here. One is for black and white, really high quality set of black and white developing chemicals. Then we have this one, which is for ECN2. And then over here, there's a C41 for color negative films and an E64 Slide Foam. We are later going to do a bunch of separate videos where we test all of these chemicals. Today, it's just really just looking what's in the packages. So I'll start with the black and white one because it's already been unboxed slightly. And I have to say, I'm a sucker for pretty packaging, and this is really lovely. The black and white chemicals were made in cooperation with Klaus Wehner, who some people may realize is quite a name in the photochemical world. Yeah, it has the directions. These ones are in Germany. They're in German because we bought the kit in Germany, but they do also have English instructions. And then you have 3 bags of fix and the black and white developers, part A and part B. So that's what's in the box, and we'll go on to the other ones. I wanted to take the ECN2 kit next because there are a lot of people who are really excited about motion picture film, whether you are actually a cinematographer doing Super 8, 16 millimeter. People are even developing their own 35 millimeter rolls, I've heard. You know, hats off to them. But even more people are using films like CineStill, motion picture film for still photographers. And so this kit is for all of those kind of films, the ones that still have the remjet layer on them. So I'm just gonna open up this box and see what we have in here. Okay, the instructions, which are slightly more involved, but also very clear. And, oh, all the little bits. Okay, we have breach, breach A. We have fixer, color developer, B. The stabilizer, and a stop bath. Pre-bath, remjet removal, color developer A, and the breach B. You might have seen by the expression on my face that I was a little amused by the labels here. Obviously, they are bleach, part A and part B. We got very early almost kind of prototype shipment. I'm sure they've corrected this by now, but these labels actually do say breach, part A and part B. I'm not quite sure. I know that some of the chemicals were made in Japan. Maybe that has something to do with it. But anyway, yes, this is bleach. It just happens to say breach on it at the moment. Now we are going for the C41 Developer. And yeah, this is a 3-bath process. So the fix and the breach are separated. Very, very curious to see what these bottles are going to say now. Right. Here are some English instructions. Cool. And here we have some bleach. And some more bleach. And here we have some fix. Stabilizer. Color Developer Part A. Color Developer Part B. And Color Developer Part C. Now onto our last kit, which is E64 Slide Foam development. And we're very happy about this since there have been some shortages of these chemicals in various places. So this is a great addition to the market right at the moment, with everybody excited about shooting Ektachrome. Right, we have, again, the instructions. I think it's nice that all of the kits come with their own sets of instructions. I mean, a lot of times you can find them online, or maybe you don't even need them anymore, but I think it's great. So, bleach, yay. I don't know why I'm so happy to see the label say bleach now, but there's another bleach. And here we have Color Developer Part A and First Developer and a reversal bath. And the conditioner. Wow, lots of parts here. Fix. I'm running out of space to put things. And we have stabilizer. And the last little bottle, Color Developer Part B. So, as I said at the beginning of the film, we're going to be making separate videos testing all of these different kits, as well as unboxing that big mystery box. So I hope everybody subscribes to the channel if you haven't yet, and we will be back with all of our, in-person and hands-on tests.